Once upon a time in the periodic world, there were 6 kingdoms: the sodium kingdom, the chlorine kingdom, the carbon kingdom, the oxygen kingdom, the calcium kingdom, and the polonium kingdom. Each kingdom has a certain amount of gems that can bring them power. However, in order to utilize this power, the gems of different kingdoms must come together. A total of 8 gems must be united in order to activate the gems. These are the tales of the different kingdoms in the quest to unite their gems. Episode 1. In the South, Ionic Bond. In the Sodium Kingdom, King Solomon has 1 red gem at his throne. This was not enough to bring him the power he needs. King Solomon knows he must find a kingdom with 7 gems to activate the power of the gems. Thus, King Solomon and his sodium soldiers travel to the Chlorine Palace to sing King Carlos with his only gem. In the Far East, King Carlos has 7 gems in his palace. He needed 1 more to complete his collection. King Carlos has been on the quest for his last gem. Just then, King Solomon arrives at the Chlorine Palace. King Carlos welcomes King Solomon into the kingdom and they sit at the dining room table for discussion.
King Carlos, welcome. I am willing to offer my gem to your kingdom so that we can activate the power of the gem. It is wiser for me to give away the gem to you because this way I will need to collect 7 more gems.
Well, I was thinking, I'm only 1 away from completing the collection. This will help both of our kingdoms in benefiting from the power of the gem.
So what do you say?
Alright, we have a deal.
Episode 2. In the North, Covalent Bond. A few miles away in the Carbon Kingdom, King Charles ran into a dilemma. King Charles has 4 gems in his kingdom. King Charles doesn't know if he should give away the 4 gems or collect 4 gems from another kingdom.
Should I give away 4 gems or collect 4 gems from another kingdom?
King Charles, if I may give a suggestion, you should share your gem with another kingdom so you don't have to search for more gems or give away your existing gems.
Oh yes, I like that plan. Soldiers, please execute this plan immediately.
Wait! You must find another kingdom that has a similar amount of gems as us so that they are willing to share, especially a kingdom that is part of the non-metal family.
King Charles acknowledges his point and decides to pay a visit to the Oxygen Kingdom in the Far East. King Charles goes on his horse with his advisors and his gems and set off to seek King Oliver. At the Oxygen Kingdom, King Oliver was delighted to see his old friend King Charles and immediately invited him in.
Hello, so I discussed with my kingdom to finalize a treaty with you. Let's share our gems because we have the same amount.
I see. I recognize your predicament and I offer to help by sharing my gems. However, I have 6 gems and I need 2 more to make 8. That means that you would have 2 gems that would not be in use.
A dilemma indeed.
I have a plan. King Oliver should invite his cousin King Oswald to share his gems with King Charles since Oswald is an oxygen and you need 2 more gems to complete this collection.
Just like that, the Oxygen and Carbon Kingdom came into an agreement to share their gems to bring about power. Episode 3. In the West, Metallic Bond. To the west of the Oxygen Kingdom, King Paul of the Polonium Kingdom was hit by a scroll thrown by his Queen Lillian from the Livermorium Kingdom. The scroll showed that other kingdoms were beginning to form bonds and treaties to become stronger. They were all fighting to be completed, and it occurred to King Paul that he was delaying his mission.
Honey, look at this atrocious scroll! Every other kingdom seems to be selling and exchanging and working with their gems. Oh!
It's fine, my dear. I have another plan to uncover. I was ready for this. Who do you think I am? A strong metal from the metallic family?
King Paul calls his best friend, King Caleb, from the Calcium Kingdom nearby. He urges his messenger and servants to prepare for his guest to come. A few minutes later.
How's your day, King Paul?
Let's share our gems and create a strong bond so that we could complete our mission.
I don't know. I had plans with other kings from other kingdoms. Even if you are a close friend to me, I have to see. Alright, we'll form a bond treaty.
The end.